In this video, you will learn how to autofit the width of columns in Excel. To begin, select the entire sheet. You can do this quickly by clicking on the small triangle located at the top left corner of your worksheet, right above row numbers and to the left of column letters. Now that everything is selected, it's time to adjust those column widths. Move your mouse pointer between two column headers. For example, between column A and column B. As you hover over this dividing line, notice how your cursor changes into a double-headed arrow with a vertical line in between. This indicates that you can resize the column. Once you see that double-headed arrow, simply double-click. Instantly, you'll witness the magic of autofitting as the column width adjusts automatically based on its content. This method not only saves time but also ensures that all data within those columns is clearly visible. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.